something which Krishna clearly states in both the Srimad Bhagavatam and in the Bhagavad Gita. What he says is, if you develop your critical thinking abilities, you don't need a guru. You can be your own guru and you can see Krishna in your own heart. Now I'm going to read out the shlokas. You enjoy listening. 6th chapter, 5th shloka. Uddared atmanatmanam atmanam avasadayet
atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu atmaiva ripuratmanah.
Which means you can lift yourself by your own effort. That is, your own self can lift yourself. You should not degrade yourself. Avasadayet means degrade, lower. Adhogati palu. So, avasadayet. Krishna says, do not degrade yourself and